Hello YouTube, welcome to the Cordipity channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to make a spacer bead out of microcords using a 5-lead 4-bight Turk's head knot. I'm using a mandrel, a rubber band to secure everything down, and a lacing needle so you can better see what I'm doing. To tie this knot, first you travel up, round the top and down, creating an X. Next you travel around the bottom and up, creating a second X. From here, you just tuck the working strand underneath the bight at the top. Travel down and around back to the standing end. You have tied a 3-lead 2-bight Turk's head knot. And now we are going to expand this into a 5-lead 4-bight Turk's head knot. To expand any Turk's head knot, you need to do two things: making pairs and splitting pairs. To make pairs, you just follow the lead strand going up and then down, but always remember to keep your working strand on the right side of the lead strand. The lead strand is going under this strand and over the second strand, and so you also want to travel under and over. Remember to keep your working strand on the right side of the lead strand, so you want to weave your working strand along this track right here. The lead strand is going underneath this strand and over the next strand, and so you want to start with an over, under, and over. We are now back at the standing end, and you have created two pairs, one running up and one running down. Now you want to split the two pairs. To split pairs, you need to travel in between the pair and do the opposite of what the pair is doing. The pair is going underneath this strand, over the second strand, and under this final strand. And so you want to travel in between and go over, under, over. Travel back into the knot and do the opposite of what the pair is doing. The pair is going over this strand, underneath the second strand, over the third strand, and finally underneath the final strand. And so you want to travel under, over, under, and finally over. You have now tied a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-lead 1, 2, 3, 4-bight Turk's head knot. To make my spacer bead, I have tied the same knot using a microcord. With my second color, I am just simply doubling it up, following the strand all the way to the end. And now you just simply hide the lead strand and the working strand underneath everything. Repeat the same process for the other strand. Now it should be big enough to tie around 2 paracord strands. Just tighten everything up. Trim the excess cords. And tuck it underneath the knot. The 5-lead 4-bight Turk set knot is the basis for so many other knots. You can expand this into a 7-lead 6-bight Turk set knot. You can also add an interweave like the Gaucho knot or the pineapple knot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and happy weaving.